Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Got my TT02 here, the Porsche 911 GT3 992. Do a quick unboxing. I've had this for a while. I just haven't put it together yet. I actually stole some parts out of it, so I had to get some spare parts back. I can't remember what I stole off of these, but I knew it was these parts. There's another part somewhere around here somewhere. I can't remember what it is, but I got some bearings for it. I think we're gonna put a couple upgrades on it, some steering links, and then the steering assembly. Right here, GPM. I know there's one more of these somewhere around, and I just don't know where it is. Probably in my drawer here. Yeah. So yeah, it was an A-arm off of this one. I think it was an A-arm of one of these or something like that. So I got these parts. Okay. Let's open this up real quick. Just gonna be a quick unboxing. I know I haven't been posting any videos that much, so I thought I'd do a little build video with this. So here's some parts. I know I stole something out of this one, something off of this one. That's why these parts are out. Here's some of the top arms, some of the body posts. Looks like the shock, parts of the shocks on this one. Looks like the battery strap, motor mounts. We're just going to use all the stock motor mounts, I believe, on the motors. So, the hexes. There's for the drive shaft mount. And here's a whole box of screws and parts and pieces and shocks, and the motor's in here. The motor, we're just going to use that. We're just going to keep it all stock, except for the bearings, you know, pretty much stock, like electronic wise. And here is the body. You know, sometimes you wish they wouldn't put the holes in there, but I'm okay with it. I'm gonna cut it out. I love that they did this. Cut those out for you. That's awesome. All right, so you don't have to have to get that perfectly cut. We're gonna see if that'll work or not. I'm hoping that it's the way it's supposed to be and not all the way up at this line. That's what I'm hoping, so we'll see when we cut it out. Looks like on the box there's a little lip there, so that'll be cool. Here's the wing, somewhere in here. I get so lost when I do this one, but it looks like this is the wing right here. Because here's the two holes for something. I don't know, I'm gonna have to check this one out. Looks like this side here. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna have to figure that one out. There's a line here too. These might be the two sides right here. Maybe that's what it is, huh? Yeah, there's two side pieces right there. That's what those two little pieces are right here. You guys can see that or not? They go on the side here. So I must cut this piece out. Man, I wish they would have cut that out for you. I'm horrible at stuff like that. Here's his nice wheels. And then the tires. Look at the tires, got the nice little tread on them. See that? And then through that plastic. These are actually pretty nice. Yeah, there's no inserts, no foam. So, like I said, I'm just gonna keep it as a stock 2S, you know, for now. Here's the tub chassis. I guess that's what TTO stands for. Looks like some mirrors, maybe. Not quite sure what all those are, but we'll figure it out, I guess, right? Here's the ESC. This is a 1060, I believe. Hobby wing. That's what they're switched to. Yeah, 1060. Well, that's two 3S. Okay, so you can run a 3S in here. We'll definitely be cutting off that Dean's plug for sure. I mean, not the Dean's plug, but the Tamiya plug, and putting in EC5. So here's the hubs, the hexes, got your extension ones. Looks like your rear. And here's this laying in here. Get your foam bumper. And then you have all your stickers. Oh, there's a ton of stickers in here. Wow, I didn't realize it had that many stickers on it. Okay. Doesn't look like it had that many on there, but I guess you do. Okay, I guess all the black is all stickers around the windows. All the windows. Bottom down there. Okay. So yeah, there's a lot of stickers, guys. Okay. Not a big deal. We're gonna try to do this ourselves this time. Last time I did the last time I did this one, I had it I sourced it out. I had RJ at JJ Customs paint it and sticker it. I mean, this is all stickers. I mean, there's a ton of stickers on here. So, and he did that, did an awesome job. And then I kind of scratched it up a little bit. So, I'm probably gonna try to put this on a different car. I just ordered a chassis. It's belt driven. So we are going to check that out. That'll be my first belt driven car. I've always wanted one because they're so quiet and seem like they are kind of cool. So I ordered one. It's just a off-brand name from Amazon. Wasn't real sure who to go with, so I'm gonna try this one and see how we like it. If we like it, then we'll start looking at better. I'm kind of getting into these little cars like this, but like I said, I want a little better than the plastic. I know Tamiya has better ones too, so put this off to the side for now, and I'm going to show you this. So here is the directions for cutting the body up and taping it and posting posts and the mount. So this is the whole body. We'll have to figure out what color. I haven't bought the color yet, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to go with the box art because I like the way it looks. I like the color, so I think we're going to do that. And I'm pretty sure it's okay. So here's the Here's the wing. Not quite sure what those are, but you can see the little pieces here, and then the wing here, and then these must be like the headlights or something, I bet you. Trying to figure what those go to, where they stick those in at. Yeah, so you got the mirrors. Yeah, and these are the headlights for inside here. So it looks like it's set back. It looks like you put tape on it. That's cool. We'll have to try that for sure. Like I said, I'm not the best body painter in the world, so okay, that's what those little things are. The wing mount. Okay, that's kind of cool too. All right, see, I'm gonna try to get into these. I think I'm gonna try to get into these kind of cars a little bit more. Little 10 scale. They seem to be in my price range. I like running them out in the street, finding a parking lot, you know, the parking lot at work, running them around, make some fast, some slow. We'll see. Okay, so that is my plan, guys. So we're gonna do a build. We're gonna go step by step. Sorry, I know it's gonna be a long processed video. And I'm going to start at step one and work my way through it and find all the parts. We're going to find the parts. We're going to go. I'm probably not going to cut too much out of this stuff. I'm just going to go and build. We're going to build a TT02 all together, okay? My agony process. You have to deal with me if you want to watch. So hopefully you guys will hang out with me. I was thinking about maybe doing some lives, but there's a lot of people doing lives lately, so I figured I'd just do this on the side. And if you want to watch it while you're working on a car or something, you know what I mean? You can just listen to me ramble to myself or watch me go through this. But like I said, we'll start at step one, and we'll probably do, you know, 5-10 steps or something, get it halfway, or you know what I mean. It's going to take a while to find all the parts, and I do have sorry, one more thing, guys. One more thing. I bought screws. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of them Phillips screws. We're gonna try these hexes out. Got a whole box of different screws, so hopefully I have enough for whatever size we need. Okay, and then I got the big ones because you know I got this big pack because you never know when you need those big screws. You can always cut them down if you need to, but they're 3x10, so most of them are going to be 3x10s. So I should have just bought a big giant box of 3x10s. Except for like the 2x8s. I'm not going to be able to get screws for those, but 3x10, you know, 3x10. We're going to replace all these little screws right here, all these 3x10s with Phillips screws, or the regular hex screws. So the Phillips drive me nuts. Especially Tamiya, you got to have that special screwdriver. And I don't. I kind of made my own that like 99% fits, you know. So that's my plan, guys. So hope you enjoy. Hope you stick around, and let's build a TT02 together. This Porsche 911 GT3 992, and we'll have some fun on the way. Okay. So you guys have a great one, and thanks for watching. Please hit that like, subscribe, share it, and then go from there. And we'll see if we like this one, and maybe we'll build something else too, you know, another one. Like I said, I got that other one. It's a kit, the belt-driven one. It's a kit too, and I want to put that one together. I'm going to put this, I have a hobby wing for it too, a little brushless system that I had in my race car. And I'm going to put it in it for now and play with it for that and see what that does. But this first, okay? So let's get building this on the next episode. Peace out.